10 were healed. Only one came back. Tonight, I come back too. Thank you. A 12-year-old boy with a little dream in his heart, looking toward tomorrow, not knowing where the road would go.
From Lake to Guadeloupe, then Paris, France, city of light, and somewhere across the ocean, America.
When someone in Washington, when someone in Washington, D.C. gives you hope, when someone in Washington, D.C. says you belong, to the teachers, professors, and staff in Washington, D.C.
Thank you for every person in Washington, D.C.
with an open heart that welcomes someone from another land,
Thank you for every person in Washington, D.C.
that gave a stranger a start.
Thank you.
And in 1986, a door opened, a chance for qualifying immigrants to leave the shadows and build a future. That history touched millions of lives. President Ronald Reagan.
Thank you. Maybe you simply smile at someone who felt alone. Maybe you help someone far from home. You may have forgotten,
But they remember
for the rest of their life.
one more time. One more time. One more.
One more time. One more time.
One more time.
One more time.
One more time.
One more time.
TimTim.
One more time. One more time. Now I dream of opening the door to the moon,
Not for me, not for one nation,
for all humanity. So one day together we can travel to the moon. Ooh.
every village has a song, every family has a story.
Every person deserves to be heard.
Share your gift with the world.
I love you forever.
I love you.